Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 6 in our series about how to write a discussion essay. Today's an exciting lesson because we're wrapping up the essay and writing the conclusion/opinion paragraph. Let's get going. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. This is our roadmap for success. These are the learning objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to review the macro and micro structures of a discussion essay. Then to be able to write a conclusion/opinion paragraph. Then today we're going to be able to use the hamburger strategy to structure our paragraph and make it awesome. To be able to use effective sentence starters, and then finally, to be able to innovate and change ideas to write our own paragraph. Okay guys, let's get started. Let's start with a quick recap. So in our previous lessons, we have talked about the macro, the structure of a discussion essay. Can you remember what it is? It is introduction, advantages paragraph, disadvantages paragraph, finally, conclusion and opinion paragraph. That's the one we're doing today. Then there's loads of those micro elements. Can you talk to the person next to you or brainstorm at home? How many micro elements can you remember? All right, go. All right, so our task today is to be able to write a conclusion/opinion paragraph for that final paragraph in our discussion essay. Now, if you've checked out our video on the hamburger strategy, you're going to find this next task a little easier. So let's check out the example of a conclusion paragraph here. Spend a few minutes. If you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you. If not, check it out yourself. Can you spot elements of that hamburger paragraph? Things like a topic sentence, concluding sentence at the bottom, and the details that go in it. Can you work on that task now? Okay, I hope you were able to spot some of those cool elements of the hamburger strategy. Let's check if you were right. Let's check it out with this annotated example. So you can see in red, there's some really effective sentence starters to structure your paragraph in a really organized way. And in this example, we have a super structured way of writing a conclusion. We have in yellow, that topic sentence that tells the reader, this is the end, this is the concluding paragraph. That's the bun at the top of your burger. Then we have in green, a summary of those advantages. Then in blue, a little summary there of the disadvantages. Finally in purple, we have our opinion. What do we think about this discussion topic? And then, of course, finally, we need to conclude it all up with that last bit of bread in our burger that is our concluding sentence. Okay guys, over to you. Now you have this awesome annotated example. Draft your own conclusion/opinion paragraph for our discussion essay topic. All right, go. Okay guys, I hope you had some success and you're able to write a conclusion paragraph for our discussion essay. Now, it's over to you for some independent learning. Let's consolidate what we've learned. So go and write another conclusion paragraph. You might want to choose a different claim or use the same claim and maybe change your opinion. Either way, remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time and remember to stay awesome.